Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. As I mentioned this morning, I will make a video on Bank of America and here is the video. And I made a quick video during the trading day showing that at what point I entered into the stock and why I entered, right? At the same time, I also sent some tweet even before the video just to say, okay, this is the setup and I'm entering. So please try to follow me Twitter so that you want to get some quick update. I might set up a Discord channel soon so I can give you some real-time update. At the same time, if you find my videos are useful, please do not forget to hit the like button for this particular video and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So this video is about ticker symbol BAC, Bank of America, and before I go to the chart, I want to show you what happened. So that stock was like trading around $35, $34. Then during March it came all the way 20, 25 something. Then it started going up. Then recently there was an earning, and after the earning that stock tanked, and now we are reversing. Before I go to the chart, let's look at why I'm making the video today, because this is a daily chart and you can see that for last few trading days we were coming down, and today we broke the downward pattern, what we call the falling wedge. So we broke the falling wedge and we went up higher. And why I think this stock will go back again, maybe $33, $34, because if you look at their earning, and the Bank of America said it plans to repurchase 2.9 billion worth of stock this quarter, which is by March, the most it can under new Federal Reserve guidelines. And all the other banks, they're also doing the same thing. And if you want, you can see some other news why decent barons like bank stocks were better after earning, why they are staging a comeback. Then if you want to see a news, I think it came yesterday, 70% of Bank of America clients engaging digitally for more of their financial needs. So you can read, but I just want to show you that the current shares outstanding is 8.65 billion with a float 8.6 billion, and they are planning to buy almost 2.9 billion. So like this is more than 30% stocks will be purchased. And you can also look at the percent held by institution is 71%, and the shares short is 71 million. So by March the bank will buy back the shares, so definitely I'm anticipating the share price will go higher, right? And I think this is the start. We tried to break this particular resistance, we couldn't, but I think we will go high. So for this one, I will show you the daily MACD and RSI. So you can look at it like the MACD, the blue line is reversing. Also the RSI is now pointing up, which is around 50. Very neutral. It can go all the way up to 70, 80. The blue line can curve and it can go higher and higher. So I think this stock can easily go back to $33 or $34. With this information, how can we get benefit? Definitely you can buy the shares and you can hold, and normally Bank of America also gives a dividend, so you get some extra money from that. Also you can play with some options. So let's look at option. I'm showing you March 19th expiry, the one I'm playing currently, and the strike price of $32. The premium is only 1, which means $100. So by March, if the stock price goes more than $33, then you will be in profit. And if it goes higher, then definitely like you will, any kind of move, you will get the benefit. But just want to point out that the premium is very, very low and the IV is only 27%. So even though if the stock price is not moving, like you will not lose a lot of money. If you want to wait till the end of March, you can select even April expiry and 31 or even 32. You can see the premiums are not expensive. So I already got into the stock before the breakout, I also wanted to show that, let's say for March 19 and for 32 strike price, today the share price increased $32. It means it was around $70, then it becomes $1, which is a 47% increase. So this kind of stock, like people are always like looking for EV and other hype stock, right? But this kind of stock, like they are not very exciting. People are not very excited about bank stock. But if you play it correctly with a less implied volatility, with long expiry date, and playing with call option, this kind of stock can also give you good benefit, right? You can see like today, like this one rose like 47% if you are playing with a call option. And if you're playing with March or April expiry, you have time, you can get even more profit, and the premiums are not expensive, just $100. So again, low risk but high gain. So that was the main intention of introducing the stock to you, so that we can all get benefit. And again, like if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, make your comments. If something is wrong I'm talking about, please correct me in the comment box. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your help to grow my channel. So anyway, thank you my friend, have a good night, peace.